Hello everyone. So today we will discuss about our project that is PSTN solution for voice communication in the academic domain of Cluj-Napoca based on PSTN, ISDN or VoIP. So this is our group member. Firstly, me, Zafizam Nizam, will discuss about methodology. Second, Avinash will discuss about the result and discussion. And lastly, Nur Anisa binti Kamar Zaman will discuss about introduction and conclusion.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Nur Anisa binti Kamar Zaman, B0822102220. So for today, I will explain the introduction of our report. The purpose of this article is to provide the comprehensive description of the PSTN, ISDN, VoIP-based solution for voice communication within CLUJ, Napoca Academic Man. Cluj-Napoca is the city in Romania that located in the northwestern part of the country. It is a home to several universities, including the Bibsbul University, the largest in the country. As such, there is a need for reliable and efficient communication network. The solution will aim to enhance the existing communication infrastructure by providing an IP address-based solution that can reduce costs, enable scalability, and ensure better QS, quality of service, for the insurer.
The first of methodology of this project is voice communication system architecture. The new coming technologies, mainly VoIP over high-speed networks, change the requirements for a voice communication system. This should have a flexible and scalable architecture, anticipating the future developments of the company. Alcatel Omni PCX 4400 proved to be a good choice as the classical PSTN and ISDN access are combined with IP-based interface. The ratio between analog and digital subscriber was highly dependent on the particular geographical spreading of the building belonging to the Technical University of Cluj-Napoca. If you see in the figure 1, there is voice communication system architecture. Three main nodes with CPU6 modules were installed in Node A, Barrel 26, Moon C103, and Node D, Observatory 2. In a star topology, primary rate ISDN access over single-mode optical fiber are provided through PRA2 interface, 30B channel and 1D channel for SS7 signaling, whilst the remote cabinets are connected over SMF through IN2 INTOF for primary rate access H. The digital access to ISDN is provided by ROM Telecom through PRA2 ISDN. As a backup, the analog access to the public switch telephone network is performed by NDDI, not direct dial-in interface. The interconnection to Node B, Babes Bolghai University, and Node C, Luleå Hatiaganu Medicine and Pharmacy University within CAMN Taman is under progress and could be done either through Node A, Barrel 26, either through Node D, Observatory 2. So, we will go through the second methodology of this project. There is CMIP-based management. The management station placed in Node A uses a fast Internet interface and runs Alcatel OmniVista 4700 R2.0. This software offers a CMIP-based centralized management, a typical telecommunications approach. CMIP promotes Management Information Protocol. The protocol was defined for exchanging the management information according to the service described by CMISE, Common Management Information Service Element. Alcatel OmniVista 4760 consists on a set of management applications for a PCX network using client-server architecture and LDAP, Lightweight Directory Access Protocol. Directory based on a Netscape directory server, data stored on the server application running under Windows NT Server Workstation with SP4 and 2000 Server Professional is automatically synchronized with network data and contains the database needed for system administration. The OmniVista 4760 client application running under my Windows-based operating system access server resource through LAN or WAN intranet or web depending on a license and writes the following applications are included into this modular software. So as you can see in the slide, this is license on right the following applications are included into the modular software. So firstly is directory. You can sum the company directory perform such as modify data and export or import directory files. For second, configuration to configure and manage PCX. For third, accounting and traffic observation. Uses ticket account records to calculate the cost to the rechargeable output. Fourth, report is dedicated to accounting and traffic observation report management. Six, alarms allow authorized personnel to manage PCX alarm or events and the alarms generated by 4760 application. Six, a topology is an option for alarms and is used to locate the alarms. Seventh, schedule. Run both of schedule tasks linked with only Vista 4760 operation and maintenance and external tasks. And And second last, maintenance contains all predefined maintenance tasks required by OmniVista 4760 itself. And lastly, security is used by the administrator to manage the user access right. Okay, so for the last methodology is SNMP based management. As NLP-based management, the following discussion is data communication management oriented because SNMP Simple Network Management Protocol was clearly defined for Internet protocols rather than for OSI protocol, SCMIP. The term MIB has been used in another context here because the modeling principles are simpler and do not distinguish between an object class and instance of a class. MIB represents in this case a collection of data items object types instead of a collection of properties. The management model includes four components: the network management station, known as manager, the managed nodes, each containing a process entity called agent, the network management protocol. If you see the table 1, there is the network management protocol. The management information specified by the SMI, the structure of management information, and MIB, the collection of managed objects. If you see the table 1, SNP version, there are three versions of SNP: SNP V1, SNP V2, and SNP V3. All of the SNP have different requests for commands. So, HMP Open View Network Node Management and NNM is actually an SMP manager that discovers the object according to the following level: Internet, Network, Segment, and Node. So for the lastly, if you can see in table 2, there are basic SMP operation. There are six basic SMP operation and have a different request or response and have their only role. That's all for me. Thank you.
Today I'm going to present discussion and result for the research. First we go to the discussion. The legacy PBXS, PTSTN and ISDN access dependably and resilience were combined with the client server and openness of IP based equipment is IP access for voice and management. Alcatel Omni PCX 4400 with CMIP based management from Alcatel Omni Vista 4760 was the best option. In order to handle upcoming changes, more work will be done. This work will support IP based long distance call made through RO, EDU, net or other service provider, as well as connection between all Cluj-Napoca University within governments. Now we going to the results from the research. The first result is its name as extension number and is set up largely the same as any analog or digital telephone device. And the second result is demonstrate that the software only identify node 1 is Veritue 26 as being an internet device and not to the voice network. And number 3 is provide a demonstration for this. Not at all the facility were available when the trials were carried out because the OpenView license was only temporary, but some of them, including local network polling, static, were investigated as shown in figure 4. Lastly, for two figure 5 and figure 6 are devoted to the same task. Alarm analyze to better contrast the CMIP based approach and SNMP based approach. Both programs provide sufficient information about the managed object, the notification date, and the severity. Example warning: clear, minor, major, critical, or ethic. From this vintage point, both HP OpenView and Alcatel Omni Fiesta 4760 provide the system administration with everything they require. So that's all for a result. Thank you.
Conclusion for our topic is, in summary, architecture development and voice communication system develop habit implement. The system help user to make voice call easily. In addition, the system can also reduce costs, enable and guarantee scalability, improving her QS quality of service for end user. Also, due the unique characteristic of the internal system design comparison with other similar solution implement. Finally, this feature of the Alcatel Omnivista 4760 manage and centralize accounting of system of interns and his SNMP based interface to HP OpenView is also evaluated.
Thank you for watching our presentation. That's it.